Hi, my name is Tara. I just wanted to come on here and share some of the wins that the community is experiencing. I'm inside our digital growth community, which is a community that you are welcomed into when you purchase a product, either the $100, $300, $600, or $900 program. Let's just take a look. Win. I hit $300,000 in 9.5 months. That is an incredible feat. $1,800 my first 5 days, and I am so grateful. Just got another $900 ding. Woohoo! $1,800 so far. Fifth sale of June. $3,200 off their live tonight. $300 morning. Finally posted my first video. Whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while, everything is a win here in our community. $300 morning. Got my first lead. This community is amazing. The training is impeccable. If you are coachable and you want to work 2 hours a day and start earning daily pay, comment ready and I will send you the blueprint that we are all following to be successful with this program.